At KLS Martin, we do not see ourselves as a sales company. We are in the business of building relationships with our customer.
The reason that I've been at this company for 20 years is that we are dedicated to producing products that transform people's lives.
It's always exciting to see an organization and a group that wants to focus on the patient care and providing the best product for that patient.
What we do at KLS Martin is not only are you creating an implant, but you're creating an implant for a patient that is going to later on change their life.
You can see after surgery how much improvement the surgeons were able to make, and to know we had some small part of that and creating products that can do it. It's pretty rewarding.
What makes KLS Martin so different compared to, your other companies that we compete against is that the work environment is kind of the big thing that's going to pull people in.
We like to joke around, have a good time, but we also get a lot of work done too. Very important work with the patients, so it's fun to get your hands on serious work.
Compared to bigger competitors, I think one of the advantages of KLS, not just in the marketplace, but also for looking for interviews, is that we're a smaller, more nimble, more personal company.
We don't look for the exact type of background. We look for the individual, and that individual can come from a variety of different backgrounds.
A position is not something where we need you to check these blocks. Each candidate's different and everyone has something different to offer, so by hiring different people from different disciplines with different ideas, we're really able to utilize everyone's different strengths to make a really strong team.
Starting in 1896, the company was making cuckoo clocks. 5 generations ago, they kind of made the decision that maybe cuckoo clocks weren't the future, and they switched to making surgical instrumentation.
Here decisions are made rapidly, and you have a lot of influence in those decisions. We are a big company with a small company feel.
Our engineers, when they have a design idea, they don't have to go through, a maze of corporate structure to go through and bring that idea to life.
You're very close to the ownership. It's a small company, and so if I have a question, my boss is right down the hallway, and if I need to go to the president of the company, he's 2 doors farther.
It's nice to be able to walk around and name everybody that works in your company instead of having just different departments.
I really love Jacksonville, and that it kind of flies under the radar in terms of Florida. It's got everything you need, but also you don't have the traffic or the kind of mayhem of the bigger cities.
It's that in between where it's not totally city and it's not totally suburbs.
And I like the fact that I can go to the beach in 5 minutes. That's a pretty solid perk.
I like to take the boat out and stuff, go up and down the river. Football games, baseball games.
It's got some good breweries, some good up-and-coming restaurants, things like that. So I find it as a great place to live.
One thing that I've loved about working here in general is just the job's been able to be matched to my drive. And so by looking for new projects, I'm continually expanding things I'm working on, things I'm interested in.
It allows you to grow quicker. It allows you to fast track your abilities and your skill set as you move forward within the company.
So I first came to KLS Martin 2 months ago. I did my master's for 1.5 years, and throughout that time I kept in contact with Carson, who actually works at the other building, and she's an alma mater of mine in undergrad.
I had a degree in biomedical engineering and psychology. In looking for jobs, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do exactly, so when Tom came and presented and was really talking about the direction that KLS was going, it was really exciting to me.
We both basically loved the idea of KLS Martin. We both sat there together and we're like, this is an awesome job.
He talked about how a liberal arts background is really helpful to thinking outside the box and designing new products. And in that, it kind of sparked my interest and I connected with KLS.
I got to the point where I was like, okay, well now I need to start looking for a job. And I contacted her and lo and behold, she was like, well, now there's actually space and we actually need engineers and it's my dream job, so I love it. Being a part of KLS right now while it's growing is just so awesome because I get to see, what's gonna be the projected future of it.
We've got a lot of exciting things coming down the pipeline, and so I think you're going to continue to see KLS grow.
We're currently looking to expand 100% growth of our engineers. We'll still have the opportunity for significant growth of maybe another 100%.
We're always going to be looking for the latest, greatest technology and the best way that we can serve our customer, which at the end of the day is the patient.
If you're looking to move to work for a dynamic company where you have opportunities to not only do that one job that you're assigned, but you have the freedom to look around, this is the company for you.